everyone. My name is Teacher Anna, and I have been an international teacher for over 12 years now. School, homework, chores. I'll bet you're a busy student. When you're sticking to a hectic schedule, what could be more important than physical, mental, and emotional health? On April 25th and 26th, I'll be hosting a special workshop about stress and sports. We'll be using our skills of self awareness, emotional intelligence, and teamwork to explore ways to reduce stress as well as empower ourselves and others. Did we mention that it's free? Not only that, but you'll be able to take part in a competition and get the chance to win an Amazon voucher for over 1,000 rupees. Simply click the link below. Students and parents are welcome. See you in the workshop.